To get started, open a web browser and type in the website address for the task management tool. From the search results, select the relevant option, which should be one of the first choices. This will direct you to the home page, where you'll see your name displayed, along with various sections such as Task Search, Inbox, Today, Upcoming, Filters, Labels, Projects, and Quick Start templates. You can also add a team and browse templates from this page. To create a subtask, you'll need to have multiple tasks. Begin by adding a new task, and then you can organize them by dragging and dropping to rearrange the order. You can position tasks to the left or right, or stack them vertically. By doing so, you can establish a main task and a subtask, where the subtask is linked to the main task and must be completed before the main task can be finished. This feature allows you to break down larger tasks into smaller, manageable components, making it easier to track progress and stay organized.